Hello guys, you're welcome once again to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you top 5 online making money websites in Nigeria. They are the top 5 currently that are allowing young Nigerians to make 6 to 7 figures weekly from these various platforms. And the good thing about them is that they pay in dollar. That means irrespective of your location, you can work with this platform and earn your cool cash in dollar. And now the thing is, apart from the fact that you earn in dollar, you can work with this platform with your mobile devices. That means you don't need a laptop. You can your smartphone is all you need and data connection. Okay, so if today is your first time of coming to my channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you always be informed whenever new videos are released. Okay, so also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and smash the notification bell. All right, so let's begin. The first on our list is called PromptEarn. PromptEarn is an affiliate platform currently operating in Nigeria. Right, so the good thing about PromptEarn is that they pay you in dollar for every sale you are able to make. They pay in dollar. And another thing is that apart from the fact that they pay in dollar, um, they offer a good commission base. You can earn up to 70% commission from every sale you make. You can see that that is very, very awesome. You have a good commission base, they are reliable, and they also give you the necessary tools for you to begin with this platform. Right? There are so many young Nigerians who are making a whole lot of money from this prompt in platform. All right, so now you can see you can become an affiliate. Right, to become an affiliate simply means that once you register with them, you can start having access to so many products to promote on their platform. All right, and the good thing about them is that they also allow you, they will also tutor you, they also train you on how to begin with this particular platform. That means there's no specification, there's no age barrier, and there's no qualification for you to begin. All right, irrespective of your age, irrespective of your qualification background, you can begin with PromptEarn. All right, they are reliable and they are paying young Nigerians 6 to 7 figures weekly from their platform. All right, so if that interests you, all you need to do is to hit on their link here. You can see there it's called PromptEarn, promptearn.com. Once you go to PromptEarn, you can see where it says become an affiliate. You can see it here, become an affiliate, and you will be guided on how to begin this process. It's very easy. You don't need the laptop, you just need your mobile device and your internet connection, and you can begin. All right, so hope you are enjoying this. The second one on our list is what we call Digistem. All right, Digistem, Digistem. Digistem has helped me most especially on earning cool dollar online. Right, I won't want to just bore you with that because they are so much more reliable and they offer young Nigerians the platform to earn in dollar. Right, so you can see how it is. This is their website. The platform operates in different ways. Right, they have the e-learning platform whereby the moment you register as an affiliate, they will take you through their e-learning portal where you can learn all the rudiments of online marketing, how you can promote online, how you can generate your lead, what a lead is, so you also understand the different channel which you can promote your product. They are very, very reliable and they are top notch in their game. Okay, so they also have a active support group. Right, they have a live chat whereby you can always reach out to them anytime you need um you need their assistance. They will always be available to offer you um their support. Okay, so this is their platform. For you to begin on this platform, any of the platform, right, my number is on the description of this video. Just do well to reach out to me and I will gladly assist you in beginning this process. Now this is the platform. You can see that this is the Digistem. All right, so what you want to do before you can begin, I just come here to sign up as an affiliate. Right, come as an affiliate. And the thing is, you can also earn as an affiliate, you can earn as a vendor. That means if you have a product that is out there, more especially digital product, that is not giving you the money you need, all you need to do is to come to a site like this and follow their guideline. If you meet the guideline, your product can be listed on their site and people can start promoting this product, earning cool cash for themselves, and also you, the vendor, you also earn Kuka. So this is the platform. You can begin the process here. You can click on sign up to do that. So once you want to begin, just hit me up and I will gladly assist you in that. All right. So to begin from Digistem, the registration fee is 20,000 naira. All right. So you just begin and you'll be guided through. It comes with access to their marketplace with lots of product to promote. It also comes with support and mentorship and the necessary materials to begin the process. You can see that is almost at a low cost, right? So for you out there to begin. Then the next is what we call Seller. Seller is a good platform for you to begin making money online. Alright, Seller is a good platform. You can see they say the best way to sell your digital product online. Understand, if you have a product to sell online, you can use Seller. Seller allows different currency, dollar, pounds, euro, CFA, CDs, any of the currency you can think of. Seller will allow you to collect your payment. And the thing is, they are widely recognized, they are legit, they are good for you to make money online. All right, they have so many platforms. You can also work with them as an affiliate. You can also sell your product online on their platform, and they will help you collect your payment. Okay, so right, so to become an affiliate on Seller, all you need to do is to register with a fee of 2,000 naira, which will last you for a year. Right, so that is what Seller afford you, and they have different ways in which you can make money with them. You can list your product with them and they help you to collect your payment, and you can also use to sell your product online, or you can work with them as an affiliate. All right, hope you get that. It's very, very easy. Once you come there, the link is seller.co, seller.co, selar.co. Once you go there and you smash it that, you just begin the process. You can see that start selling, or you can become an affiliate. All right. Okay, next on our list is what we call Zenith Stake. Zenith Stake. All right, Zenith Stake is a platform that is paying young Nigeria. All right, they pay every Sunday. It means that for every sale you are able to make every Sunday while people are dancing in church, you are receiving your own cool alert. Okay, it's very, very easy. The thing is, the internet has offered us a lot of opportunities to make money online. All you need to do is to utilize it, because people that are doing this thing, they don't have two heads. They just took their time to they just put away every form of distraction and focus. This is 2024. You need to be focused and fight against anything that will bring poverty your way. Right? The fight is against poverty. So you also need to fight against anything that will hinder you from achieving your financial success. So, like Zenestake, they are there to assist you in one way or the other. Look at what they say there. Zenestake is the ultimate digital marketplace that connect digital creator with high performing affiliate to maximize their sale. That is what they do, right? So they have the platform whereby you can list your product and top affiliates can pick it up and start promoting. All right. So if you want to register with them, you just go to their site here. You can see it here, zenithstake.com. Zenithstake.com. So you can go there, you can see where it says become an affiliate. Right. Once you click on become an affiliate, right, if you click on that, to take you to the site here, right, you can see it says e-commerce machine and all of that. You just go through what you have there. You can see young Nigerians who are making a whole lot of money from it. You can see there says I want this course, right? So once you get access to that course, you'll be tutored on how to begin. Everything you need to know about being able to make money online is here in this sales machine accelerator. Right, you can see everything there. You can see what this one saying: dream come true, babysitting couldn't stop me, victory at last, 30 sales done, being able to close 30 sales. Imagine if that is 10K per sales, that is 300K. Okay, you can imagine. All right, that is a full month salary being made in a week. All right, so that is for you who is there looking for a way to make money online. You can see, look at what it says. Another is Julian, who is a stay-at-home mom with, even with babysitting, she also made over 150K in few days from her affiliate marketing business. That is what I'm telling you, because it's not to have data and be browsing from morning till night. How much is your data giving you? How much are you making from your data? So in as much as this thing is, all you need to do is to dedicate your time and energy and focus on what is going to give you financial freedom. All right, so Zenestake is all for you. Go there, sign up, and begin your way to your financial freedom. You can see where it says how to turn your smartphone into a mobile ATM. All right, so that is what you have there. Next, and the last on our list is what we call stake court. Yes, stake court. They said claim here, claim your free account. Stake court is free. You can go there, sign up with stake court, and you can start promoting. The good thing about all these platforms I've listed here is that they allow you to work with your mobile devices. So that means that phone in your hand can help you to make 50K, 100K weekly from the internet. All right. So all you need to do is to focus and put this thing to work, because people who are doing this thing, they don't have two S's. They are only determined to make sure that I will put an end to poverty. All right. Put an end to poverty is the goal. All right. So if you are interested, just hit me up. I will guide you through on how you can begin your process. I will also direct you to the right channel on how you can begin making your money online, because making money online is legit and it's real. So if you are still out there, you are still doubting if truly people make money online, then you are living in the woods, or you are living in the ages, because currently online money is the deal, right? So if you enjoy this video, I did kindly give this video a like and subscribe if you have not done so. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. See you in my next video.